Hey, we are live. I'm super excited. I could already see people coming on and the comments. My name is Cheryl Coco, Vice President of Marketing for Royalty, and I have with me our founder, Mr. Justin Bellababa. Before he gets started, make sure that you guys state your name, tell us where you guys are from. We have affiliates and customers all around the world, and we want to make sure that you're stating your name and where you are from. We have some exciting news for you guys today as we go over pricing and compensation plan, and I'll let Justin get into that for you guys in just a few minutes. Well, we are having another opportunity for you to get onto the Royaltie Notification Network early, which is even more fun. Make sure that you guys are sharing, that you're commenting that you did share as well, and make sure that you guys are interacting. We're paying attention to all that before we give away the winner for the Royaltie Notification Network. So make sure that you guys comment that you shared, make sure that you're sharing throughout, and stay engaged with that throughout the conversation. So thank you guys once again so much for being here. I'm going to hand it over to Justin, who's going to explain all of our amazing updates. Thank you guys. Thanks, Justin.
Thanks, Cheryl. Good afternoon, everyone. Great to be back here once again. In a couple minutes, I'm going to share some new information about our new platform, the pricing that will take effect on December 1st, some important changes to the comp plan, the new advertising results guarantee that we're going to be able to offer to all of our customers. I'm going to go through all of that today. First, I want to start with a quick update for anyone who isn't up to speed on the events of the last 2 weeks. It feels like a lot longer, but it's only been 2 weeks. So 2 weeks ago, Google announced that they will be phasing out the Nearby platform on December 6th. And just by way of background, it was the Google Nearby platform. That was how we delivered notifications from your gems to nearby Android phones. So that was the platform that we've been using. Google announced December 6th they are phasing out that platform. We had long expected that this could happen. So we have already registered all of your beacons on some of the biggest, most popular apps and websites in the world. CNN, Forbes, Yahoo, AOL, Facebook, of course, many others. And some of the most popular websites in our international markets as well. So in all of our major international markets, we have at least 3 of the top 10 websites in our network to ensure a totally seamless transition for our affiliates and our customers. And so now that Google has made their announcement, we are putting this plan in motion. So starting in December, when someone near you is looking at one of the websites in our network, your high quality ad could appear on that website. Again, for those of you who aren't totally up to speed, I want you to know your beacon will continue to work perfectly. However, there will be some important changes to our service that you need to be aware of. That we reviewed last week that I'm going to review again very quickly. So first of all, your ads will no longer be restricted to 40 characters and a link. You will be able to provide longer messages and upload any high def image that you like. In the future, we will also look to enable video ads as well, but for sure right away, much higher quality ads than ever before. Second, your ads will now be able to hit any kind of mobile device, not just Android phones. So, tablets, laptops, yes, of course, iPhones. I know that's going to be important for a lot of you. Third, we are open for business in the most populated country in the world, which is, of course, China. We have already delivered tens of thousands of ad impressions to mainland China in our testing already. So we're good to go there, which is extremely exciting. Fourth, and this is new information, and it's really cool. And I didn't mention it last time, but now I'm happy to share the news. We are in the process of developing a 100% proprietary new gem. It will have greater range, than anything we've brought to market. It will deliver more impressions than anything we've brought to market. We will launch it in January. Okay, so we're still a couple months from that, but here's the really good news. Every existing customer will be able to exchange your current gem, whatever that is, for the new one in January at no additional charge. So that's just something that we're all very, very excited for. So coming in about 2 months' time. And we'll talk a lot more about that as the day gets closer. So with that, let's get to the important updates for today. The first thing that I want you all to understand is that the change from the Google Nearby platform to our own notification network has caused the costs of our business to change significantly. Let me explain why. Notifications on the Google Nearby platform were free. It was a free platform. So we could deliver essentially an unlimited number of notifications for our customers at no cost. In reality, the number was around 30 million notifications every month. So a huge number of notifications were happening through the Google Nearby platform. Now things are different. With the Google Nearby platform phasing out and us introducing the new Royaltie Notification Network, we now have to buy all of those ad impressions from our website and app partners. Of course, we will receive volume discounts, but even with those discounts, 30 million ad impressions every month, that's expensive. We are a profitable business. We've been a profitable business since basically day one. And so the good news is that we are profitable enough to absorb this additional cost without changing the prices for any of our current customers. So as I've said before, and I will reinforce this again, anyone who is a customer prior to November 30th will lock in the current pricing. You will not see any kind of price increase. However, because of the change to our cost structure, we do need to adjust prices. We need to increase prices on new customers who join us after December 1st. So here's how it's going to work. Again, if you are an active customer today, or you become one before December 1st, you will stay at the current pricing going forward. No change, not even 1 penny. So rest assured. But for new customers, I want you to know what the new prices are going to be starting on December 1st. First of all, activation fees and shipping fees are going to stay exactly as they are, but the monthly fees will increase as follows. On our 100-meter NF gem, the first unit will go from $25 a month to $29 a month. Additional units, the monthly fee will go from $12 currently to $18 a month after December 1st. Oh, by the way, don't worry about taking any notes. We are going to post a summary of all of these changes in detail in the next hour or so here on Facebook. So that's the 100-meter NF gem. The BF gem, currently the first unit is $35. It's going to go to $37. Additional units are going to go from $17 a month to $26. And then the 1,000-meter GF gem, currently $45, will be $52. And additional units will go from $22 a month to $41. Okay, so again, we're going to post this. You'll see it all in a very, very simple table on our Facebook page in the next 30 to 60 minutes. So that's the price increase. And again, only affecting new customers who join after December 1st. Let's now talk about what you're going to receive, which is our new advertising results guarantee. This is what you will receive for each type of gem that you own, okay? First of all, the quality of the ad impressions will be far, far superior on the new network than they are today. Like today, we've got a 40-character message and a link that's on the pull-down screen on only Androids. we are going to be able to offer on the new network longer messages, high-def images that take up a large portion of the screen on the most popular apps and websites in the world. So no question, huge increase in ad quality. But in addition to the improvement in quality, because we control the network, we can also guarantee you each a large number of impressions on your ad every month. Of course, the better your ad, the more popular it is, the higher the click rate, the more you use your gem, the better your results will be. There's no limit on how many impressions you can get, but at a minimum, we are now able to guarantee the following results every month, okay? So on the NF gem, starting in December, we will guarantee a minimum of at least 500 high quality ad impressions on Facebook, Yahoo, and the other sites in our network. So that's 500 on the NF. On the BF, we will guarantee at least 2,000 ad impressions per month. And on the GF, we will guarantee a minimum of 5,000 impressions per month. Again, there is no limit on how many impressions you can get. The better your ad, the more popular, the more clicked, the more impressions you will receive. But these guaranteed minimum results are designed to ensure that every single one of our customers gets a strong return on their investment, okay? Oh, this is also really important. And this actually came up on a webinar this morning. Regardless of the type of gem that you have, you will also be able to buy 1,000 guaranteed ad impressions for just $6 anytime you want. So let's say you're going to a weekend conference and you want to just dominate that conference. You want everyone at the conference to see your ad. Now you'll be able to buy 1,000 guaranteed impressions for $6 through our platform and reach everybody that you want to reach that weekend. If you want to get a sense for how much value that is, because I want you guys to understand this is a pretty big deal. I would encourage you to please go do your own independent research. Take Facebook as an example, because that's one of the major kind of partners in our network. Look up how much it costs to buy 1,000 ad impressions. If you look it up, and again, I encourage you do your own research. You will see that in 2017, the average cost of 1,000 ad impressions on Facebook was more than $10. Okay. But because we're buying so many ad impressions, we're able to cut that cost nearly in half for you and only charge $6 per 1,000 impressions. So, not only are you able to advertise on hundreds of the best websites and apps in the world, not only are you able to reach any kind of mobile device through our network, not only can you create unlimited digital business cards, unlimited landing pages, not only do you get access to the entire upline platform, team sales management, team communication, unlimited file storage, but as a royalty customer, you're also able to buy additional guaranteed blocks of advertising impressions for about half the price that you would pay if you went and just tried to purchase them on your own. We think that's pretty amazing. I hope you all agree. Okay, so last but not least, let's talk about the compensation plan. I'm going to rip off the Band-Aid here, everybody. I'm going to rip off the Band-Aid and I'm going to tell you the bad news, okay? But don't worry. You know that we've always have had your back. So just stay with me until I get through it, because I think you'll agree that that what we've created is extremely fair and really not that big a change after all. Here it is, okay? Because we now have to purchase millions and millions of ad impressions for you, and those have a major cost, we need to phase out the free gem club. I am sorry about this. There really was no way around it. It was one thing for us to give away a free product when we were on a free platform like the Google Nearby platform. But now that we're purchasing tens of millions of ad impressions, we just can't give away the product for free anymore. So anyone who has earned their way into the Free Gem Club, we will honor it in November, but you will need to pay regular price for your products that you have in December. That's the bad news. Okay, that's it. There's no other bad news. Not so bad. I hope you agree. Let's move on to the good news. Okay, we are replacing the Free Gem Club with 2 new levels in the compensation plan that will very, very nearly make up for it. Okay, so here they are. Now, when you reach $100 in volume, you will earn $20, and we will send you that $20 every month. That alone will offset most of what you were getting in the Free Gem Club. We are also adding another level, a $200 level. When you reach $200 in volume, you will earn $50 per month, and we'll send you that $50 every month. Again, that is nearly the same as what we were offering before through the Free Gem Club. And after that, the rest of the comp plan stays exactly the same. $300 in volume earns you $120 every month, and so on as you get higher. So that's it, okay? The Free Gem Club is being replaced by 2 new levels in the comp plan, a $100 level and a $200 level. Given the enormity of the change to the business, given the enormous improvements to the product itself, we truly believe that the changes to the comp plan that I just described are relatively small. We tried really, really hard to change as little as possible, and I think that we did a pretty good job in minimizing the change to the comp plan, given given the size of the improvement to the overall business, and the quality of the service that we will be delivering. So that is my update for today. New pricing starting December 1st. But remember, your price, existing customer, stays the exact same. The 2 new comp plan levels that we talked about, of course, the guaranteed advertising results. We are totally excited to get this rolling for all of you. We are laser focused on delivering this over the next few weeks. More information to come. See you all again soon. Cheryl, back over to you. Thank you.
Thank you guys so much. We all know with the amount of advertising and small businesses increasing throughout the world, that now is the time to make people understand, or have people understand, how important it is to get their advertising message out there. We do that so wonderfully here at Royaltie, and the fact that it's guaranteed is just, I don't know, it's pretty amazing. I love to see everybody's comments when Justin was talking about that. So many people saying, wow, and how huge this is for so many people that own a small business and want to market and advertise. Make sure that you guys are sharing. We are going to post a summary here in the next hour or so on Facebook. I'm so excited for you guys. So excited for the direction of this business as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Good night, everybody. Bye-bye. Thanks, Justin. Bye.